Stop making adjustment layers like this in Alight Motion. This is trash. When you make it like this, you will face several issues if one of your layers uses Z position. This is the correct way to make an adjustment layer in Alight Motion. As usual, first, add a rectangle shape and make it cover the entire layer. Set its position as high as possible, but don't let the shape disappear. Adjust the size of the shape so it matches the size of your preview layer. Once done, you can add the tiles effect first, followed by the copy background effect. Now you have a proper adjustment layer. Here you can add effects like coloring, blur, and other effects. Thank you for watching until the end. If you have any questions, please comment in the comments column.